Oh man. Gosh, it almost looks like a joke.
Oh shit!
That was nuts. I've never seen a This is steep, bro. What the? The camera probably doesn't even understand because it's filling the roof. It goes up and down. It has its own horizontal gimbal. How crazy is that? Wow.
Whoa. That made me kind of cringy.
Everybody feel the strain, tears are falling like rain. Even Mama Earth is feeling the pain. I'm telling you.
Dairy.
Theirs.
Oh, theirs.
Theirs.
Not ours, but theirs.
Theirs. Not ours, but theirs. But it's Asian. And like Asian, old Asian. Asian man, all those old Asian men, they look all like ghetto hood, but so wait, is that a drug deal? You saw that? Did you just film that?
Yeah, it's in there.
Wow. Yeah, the guy with the mask bought drugs from the guy with the hat. We're definitely in a different part of town here. Look at the bars. Bars on everything. Ooh, the smell. Ooh, that's what I smell. That was bad.
Ooh, somebody just selling needles. Yeah. We're in the hood. Different kind of hood. Cut me off and stop. BMW. It's the closest thing to a nice car I've seen. Dude, the park is like a prison. That park is like a prison. Look at that 10-foot high fence. And that's to keep the riffraff out while your kids play. Whoa, my brain. Like this park too. Off self-storage, yeah, you lock, you keep key. That's what it says. Can't even make that up. Yeah, as sketchy as Honolulu gets, it's not this sketchy. At least not no areas that I randomly go to. This is huge. Yep, I'm wrong. You just pulled that Alana thing.
Yeah.
Okay, just as long as you recognize that.
At the last moment, I saw that you weren't supposed to turn right because there could be bicycles. And I saw the signs, but they're not normal signs to me.
Check out that pose.
Is it road construction up ahead? Is that what it is?
Yep. This is not Hawaii. You gotta be aggressive. Crew guy working.
Not 3 guys watching him? Wow, that's weird. How efficient. In Hawaii, there'd be 4 guys sitting on the side criticizing how he moves the bucket.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there is a guy on the side watching him. Okay, never mind. He must have been hiding.
Oh, he was hiding.
Mustang. Definitely old around here. Werks Renunion, Monterey. Look, you didn't see another car, and I never washed it.
I knew you sometimes.